Have you ever wondered what the top survival foods to grow in your garden are? The importance of survival gardening cannot be understated, especially in times of crisis. Today, we delve into the 20 best survival foods that you can cultivate right in your backyard. First on the list is beans. Beans are rich in protein and fiber, easy to grow, and can be stored for long periods. They are a staple in many cultures, providing a reliable source of nutrition. Secondly, we have cabbage. Cabbage is not only nutrient-rich, but also has a long shelf life when stored correctly. It's a versatile vegetable that can be used in a variety of dishes. Next, we have sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a hardy crop that can provide a substantial amount of nutrition and calories. They are also easy to store, making them a great choice for a survival garden. Corn is another survival food to consider. Corn is a high-calorie food that can be dried and stored for years. It's also versatile in cooking, making it a valuable addition to your garden. Squash is next on our list. Squash, particularly winter squash, is high in vitamins and can be stored for months. Its seeds are also edible and rich in protein. Lentils are a great source of protein and fiber. They grow well in a variety of climates and have a long shelf life when dried. And Lentils, Amaranth is a grain that's high in protein and other nutrients. It's resilient, grows in poor soil, and can withstand dry conditions. Stevia, a natural sweetener, is another plant to consider. It's easy to grow and can be used to sweeten drinks and food. Buckwheat is a fast-growing plant that's high in protein and fiber. It can be ground into flour or cooked whole. Onions are a versatile crop that's easy to grow and store. They add flavor to a variety of dishes, making them a must-have in any survival garden. Tomatoes are rich in vitamins and can be used in many recipes. They require a bit more care to grow, but their nutritional payoff is worth it. Spinach is a nutrient-dense leafy green that grows quickly and easily. It can be eaten raw or cooked, providing flexibility in meal preparation. Peas are another protein-rich legume that's easy to grow and store. They can be eaten fresh or dried for long-term storage. Beets are a dual-purpose crop, with both the root and leaves being edible. They're also high in essential nutrients. Carrots are another root vegetable that's easy to grow and store. They're high in vitamins and can be used in a variety of dishes. Peppers, both sweet and hot, are high in vitamins and add flavor to meals. They can be eaten fresh or dried for long-term storage. Cucumbers are a hydrating vegetable that's easy to grow. They can be eaten fresh or pickled for longer storage. Herbs such as basil, rosemary, and thyme are essential for flavoring food. They're easy to grow and can be dried for long-term storage. Eggplant is a versatile vegetable that's high in fiber. It can be used in a variety of dishes and has a good shelf life when stored properly. Lastly, we have potatoes. Potatoes are a high-calorie food that's easy to grow and store. They're a staple in many diets around the world. In essence, the key to a successful survival garden is diversity. Growing a variety of nutrient-dense foods that store well ensures a balanced diet in times of crisis. Each of the foods listed above brings something unique to the table, from high-protein beans and lentils, to vitamin-rich tomatoes and peppers, to calorie-dense corn and potatoes. By incorporating these foods into your survival garden, you're taking a significant step towards self-sufficiency and long-term food security. Thank you for your watching. Please like and subscribe.